I bet you didn't know your Instagram Reels could look this good. Imagine transforming your everyday moments into captivating stories that not only grab attention but also keep your audience coming back for more. With the power of invideo AI, you can elevate your content creation game to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these tools are designed to make your life easier and your videos more engaging. So let's explore how you can make the most out of invideo AI for your Instagram Reels. Get ready to be amazed by the possibilities. With just a few clicks, you can turn your raw footage into a polished masterpiece. No more spending hours on editing. invideo AI does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine the time you'll save and the quality you'll gain. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. So let's dive into the magic of invideo AI and discover how you can create stunning Instagram Reels effortlessly. The future of video editing is here, and it's more accessible than ever. All right, let's dive into 10 creative ways to use invideo AI for stunning Instagram Reels. These tips will not only enhance your videos, but also make the editing process a breeze. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your captions or create seamless transitions, invideo AI has got you covered. So, grab your smartphone or laptop and let's get started on this exciting journey of video creation. Get ready to transform your content like never before. First up, text animations. Text animations are a fantastic way to make your captions stand out. They add a dynamic element to your videos, making them more engaging and visually appealing. With invideo AI, you can choose from a variety of text animation styles to match the tone and theme of your content. Whether you want your text to bounce, slide, or fade in, the possibilities are endless. Imagine the impact of animated text on your audience. Make your captions dance and grab attention instantly. Imagine your text coming to life, drawing viewers' eyes to the key points of your message. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also helps in conveying your message more effectively. So go ahead and experiment with different text animations to see what works best for your content. Which text animation style do you think would make your captions pop? Let us know in the comments. Your creativity is the only limit. Number 2. Dynamic transitions. Transitions are crucial in maintaining the flow of your video. They help in smoothly moving from one scene to another, keeping your audience hooked. With invideo AI, you can choose from a wide range of dynamic transitions that add a professional touch to your videos. Whether it's a simple fade or a complex 3D transition, you can find the perfect one to match your style. Elevate your storytelling with seamless transitions. Smoothly glide between clips and keep your audience hooked. Transitions are not just about moving from one scene to another. They are about maintaining the narrative flow and keeping your audience engaged. With the right transitions, you can create a seamless viewing experience that keeps your audience coming back for more. So take your time to explore the different transition options available and find the ones that best suit your content. What's your favorite type of transition? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your audience will thank you for the smooth experience. Next, AI-powered backgrounds. Sometimes the background of your video can be a distraction. With invideo AI, you can easily swap out boring backdrops for stunning visuals in a snap. Whether you want to transport your audience to a tropical paradise or a bustling cityscape, the possibilities are endless. This feature allows you to create a more immersive experience for your viewers, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. Imagine the places you can take your audience with just a click. Fourth, music sync. Music is a powerful tool in video creation. It sets the tone and mood of your content, making it more engaging and enjoyable to watch. With invideo AI, you can let the software auto-sync your beats to your visuals. This ensures that your music and visuals are perfectly in sync, creating a harmonious viewing experience. Perfect rhythm every time. How do you choose the perfect music for your videos? Drop your tips in the comments. The right music can make all the difference. Number 5, customizable templates. Templates are a great way to save time and maintain consistency in your videos. With InVideo AI, you can choose from tons of templates and make them your own. Whether you're creating a travel vlog, a cooking tutorial, or a fashion haul, there's a template for every occasion. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your personal touch and make your videos stand out. Templates are your best friend in efficient video creation. Choose from tons of templates and make them your own. Templates are not just about saving time, they are about providing a solid foundation for your creativity. With the right template, you can focus more on the content and less on the technical aspects of video creation. So explore the different templates available and find the ones that best suit your content. Which template style do you prefer for your videos? Let us know in the comments. Your unique touch will make each template shine. 6th, voiceover magic. Adding a professional voiceover can take your videos to the next level. With InVideo AI, you can add professional voiceovers without the studio time. Whether you're narrating a story, giving a tutorial, or sharing your thoughts, a good voiceover can make your content more engaging and relatable. The software allows you to record and edit your voiceovers with ease, ensuring that they are clear and professional sounding. Do you have any tips for recording the perfect voiceover? Share them in the comments. A great voiceover can truly elevate your content. 7. Auto-resizing. One of the biggest challenges in video creation is ensuring that your content looks good on different platforms. With InVideo AI, you no longer have to worry about cropping nightmares. The software automatically resizes your videos to fit different platforms, ensuring that your content looks great, no matter where it's viewed. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on creating great content. How do you ensure your videos look great on all platforms? Let us know in the comments. Consistency across platforms is key. 8th, trend alerts. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial in the fast-paced world of social media. With InVideo AI, you can stay ahead of the curve with AI-suggested trending topics. The software analyzes current trends and suggests topics that are likely to engage your audience. This feature helps you stay relevant and ensures that your content is always fresh and engaging. What trends are you excited to try in your next video? Share in the comments. Staying trendy keeps your content fresh and exciting. Number 9, collaborate easily. Collaboration is key in content creation. With InVideo AI, you can share projects and get feedback in real time. This feature allows you to work seamlessly with your team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Whether you're working with a co-creator, a client, or a team, this feature makes collaboration easy and efficient. Real-time feedback can significantly improve your workflow. Share projects and get feedback in real time. Collaboration is not just about working together, it's about creating a synergy that enhances the quality of your content. With the right tools, you can ensure that your team is always in sync, resulting in better and more cohesive content. So, take advantage of this feature and make collaboration a breeze. How do you collaborate with your team on video projects? Let us know in the comments. Teamwork makes the dream work. Lastly, advanced analytics. Understanding how your content performs is crucial in fine-tuning your strategy. With InVideo AI, you can track performance and fine-tune your strategy. The software provides detailed analytics that give you insights into how your videos are performing. This information helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and improve your content. What metrics do you find most useful in analyzing your video performance? Share in the comments. Data-driven decisions lead to better content, so what are you waiting for? With all these amazing features at your disposal, there's no reason not to take your Instagram Reels to the next level. Whether you're looking to create more engaging content, save time on editing, or collaborate more effectively with your team, InVideo AI has got you covered. The future of content creation is here, and it's within your reach. Unleash your creativity with InVideo AI and watch your Instagram Reels soar. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. So, go ahead and explore the different features of InVideo AI, experiment with different styles and techniques, and create content that truly stands out. Your next viral video is just a few clicks away. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content and tips on how to make the most out of your video creation journey. And if you found these tips helpful, share this video with your friends and fellow creators. Happy creating! Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.